Hello everyone, and welcome to our weather update on the 15th of January 2024. So starting off with our 5-day forecast, our short-range forecast from the UKV, we can see that today we had snow showers and also into Scotland, especially in the north and northwest of Scotland and down the east coast of England. Now, they were mainly of snow. You'll notice the pink is the dominant colour here. So very little mixing, with like marginality of rain and sleet. They were mainly purely snow, showing how cold this air mass is coming directly down from the Arctic. Also, it's mid-January. By the way, happy midpoint of winter. Today is January 15th, so we're halfway through winter, and goodness, and it certainly does feel like it. Okay, so tonight we will see some hazy skies in the north with high cloud around. However, in the south, where it's clearest, temperatures will plummet well below freezing. And towards dawn, we'll see an area of rain, sleet, and snow turning increasingly to snow inland, especially over North Connacht, North Ulster, and North Leinster. And we do have a warning for snow and ice for these counties. Now, tomorrow this area of precip turns to rain and is restricted to northern areas mainly. In the south, it will stay mainly dry with bright sunshine, but it will be a cold day yet again. Now, into the evening, this area of light rain moves southwards in the end. By the way, Scotland and northern England will see plenty of snow from the system. And actually, possibly tomorrow morning, some wintry bits might get into parts of the Midlands there. But yes, a very cold day tomorrow again. It feels very cold right now, where I'm sitting doing the video. It feels cold in my room. So into Wednesday, again another very very cold start today with frost. Heavy snow showers peppering those western northern coasts. Now, if you're in places like North, Mayo, Sligo, Leitrim, Donegal, and into places like Derry, Tyrone, Antrim, those counties, into Wednesday, you get a battering of heavy snow showers coming in from north, possibly at times some longer spells of snow. Again, same story for western and northern Scotland. These showers keep going into Thursday. They do ease off in intensity and frequency somewhat on Thursday. Possibly for a time on Thursday evening. On Thursday evening, those showers push inland actually. And into Friday, we start off very, very cold and frosty and foggy actually. But by the end of the day, in comes a veil of high clouds and rain follows behind that. And that shows us that milder weather will be coming back for the weekends. So it's a week-long cold spell here. So looking at our temperatures, today was a very cold day. Highest temperatures of 1 degree in the east and north, up to about 3 or 4 in the west. Tonight will be a very cold night in the south, especially. Lowest temperatures of around in general -6 to freezing in the southern half of the country. But by 9 a.m. on Tuesday, we'll see temperatures between freezing and +4 or 5 degrees in the west and northwest. Now, tomorrow will be a cold day again. Not as cold as today. Highest temperatures of about 3 in the east, up to about 7 in the far west. Tomorrow night will be frosty again. Perhaps not as severely cold as it has been some of these nights. So, but -4 to freezing. Coldest in the east, but all areas frosty. Then into Wednesday, the coldest day of the week, highest temperatures of freezing in the north. You notice that many areas in the far north, like here, stay at freezing or -1 under the snow showers, so it'd be a very, very cold day. Into Thursday morning, widespread and severe frost, -6 to freezing, coldest in the glens of the mountains in the southwest. So you can see localized figures of -8 there. Into Thursday, highest temperature Thursday, about freezing in the north, up to around 4 or 5 in Munster. And into Friday morning, again another severe frost. Under snow cover in the north on the hills, you can see some purple shades appearing, so very, very cold. In general, -6 to freezing. Mildest in the very far western tip of the country. And Friday, you see temperatures rising through the day. So at 3 p.m., you're still below freezing in the north. I wonder why that is, actually. Probably because of cloud and light winds and fog lingering, fog fraction. There's nothing really to keep temperatures subdued on Friday, so that's a bit mysterious how temperatures are staying so low for so long. Actually, I know. Brain fart there. Sorry guys. It's obviously because it's snow covered. Ulster snow covered by Friday, so temperatures below freezing. And into Saturday morning, you can see Saturday afternoon, highest temperatures of about 5 to 8 degrees, so a lot milder. Though Scotland still has cold air entrenched over it, with snow showers. Snow depth charts then. We can find you with that. So obviously by Friday, the snow, well, most of it would have melted from north. You can see the way into Wednesday, snow amounts build big time over, like, again, North Mayo, Sligo, Leitrim, Donegal into Tyrone and Derry, Tyrone, and Antrim. Those counties in order from west to east. Into Thursday, more snow builds. Actually, a lot of snow builds over Wednesday night. So, actually, quite a deep snow cover in Donegal, Northern Ireland, and like North Connacht here. So, if you're in those areas, happy days. Congratulations. Now, actually, snow showers for a time extending further southwards on Friday morning. That might be something. Some streaks appearing there in these sort of areas. I have my doubts about that, but possibly. Right, so here is the NOx observed and forecasted. So again, as we know, the NAO is currently very negative. So it's January 15th. The NAO is here, and it's going to really rise into the second half of the month, becoming very positive by the weekend, and staying positive towards month's end. Here is our GFS 12Z run. You can see how it cold. We've got blocking to our west and northwest over Greenland, and downwards coming a northerly wind, big cold trough over Scandinavia. Go forward, and again, as we know, we see a little feature coming through the north on Tuesday. Then that big low misses us. Let's see how it's doing there. If you watched my video from yesterday, France might see a spell of freezing rain. So let's see if that's still happening. France, if we have any French viewers, this is relevant even. So you can see all areas of France, apart from the far northeast here, have got upper temperatures above freezing. Surface temperatures. Let's see that again. Temperatures. Yeah. So if you're in this area again, about 1 degree freezing around here, there's a risk of freezing rain, because obviously snow is restricted to these far northern areas. So anywhere in this sort of hashed purple area here, also into the Low Countries and so on, that's showing freezing rain. So yes, if you're in northern France, just to highlight that there could be some very dangerous weather coming in, even more dangerous than snowfall. So that gets out of the way into Thursday. We're left in that northerly wind again. Very heavy snow showers in the north. By Friday, that ridge is coming through, and it moves to our east even by Saturday. And from our west comes the storms. Saturday is wet and windy. Sunday is wet and stormy. Get that deep storm. That'd be something to watch. Named Storm Sunday. Monday sees a very mild day. Another storm on Tuesday. What happens after that? Okay, so a ridge builds from the south by Thursday, but it's still wet and windy here, but mild. We keep going. Very, very mild. Bit drier here around January 27th, but still, look at that. Up comes the next storm by January 29th. Then the ridge again from the south. Next storm by January 30th. Back to seasonality is the message from the GFS. And probably think from many of these ensembles. Oh dear gods, I'm on 3%. Panic time. Jesus Christ, I should have had this charged up, shouldn't I? So here's the ECM WF run. So going on again, northerly winds into Thursday. Cold air coming southwards. Again, that low for France might bring some freezing rain, some very icy weather coming through. Into Friday, that ridge goes to our south, and in come those very mild southwesterly winds. Into the weekend, the ECM not looking as stormy as the GFS until Monday and Tuesday, where it looks very stormy. But beyond that, the high pressure is starting to become more influential from the south. UK Met Office run is like this. Okay, so UK Met run. So again, that trough coming through in the north on Tuesday. So if you're in the north, like even like North Leinster sort of location, you have to be on the north coast for this. You might be seeing snow tomorrow. Falling snow, yes. A slight covering, possible. But for the heavy snow showers, you have to be close to the north coast for that. Into Wednesday, again, northerly winds, and by the end of the week, we've got a milder wind coming from the southwest. That storm on Sunday is a cause for concern there, and beyond that, we go into a westerly pattern with plenty more storms downstream. So here is the GEM, and go. Again, trough on Tuesday. Then that gets through. Into Wednesday, in comes this next area of low pressure. That clears away, and the ridge builds behind it. And up comes the very mild southwesterly winds. A bit less stormy. I think the GEM is less stormy than the UK Met and GFS until Monday and Tuesday. Like the ECM, it goes stormy then. And that rhymes. And it's stormy again by January 25th. So enjoy this week if you like cold weather. It might not snow for you, but at least there'll be some very severe frost, some crunchy grass, some white grounds, some crisp winter sunshine, because it will not last into the weekend and beyond that. So the icon, very similar story with the pressure patterns. That's France on Wednesday morning. Let's see what that is doing. Okay, so you can see the low. Where's France? See, icon doesn't have the French view. Never mind. Sorry, guys. Again, beyond that, in comes the milder air from southwest. Deep storm on Sunday. Icon has deep storm on Sunday, and by Monday and Tuesday it gets calmer. But this next storm, no doubt, has our name on it and arpege. But in my opinion anyway, the worst weather in winter is the Azores High and just gloomy weather, constant cloudy weather with nothing happening. So at least it's not that. At least there's action happening after this cold spell. So the arpege doesn't go as far as the other models. So tomorrow we will see a trough moving into the northwest. That will bring an area of rain, sleet, and snow. Falling as snow, especially inland and on the leading edge, because that front will have some milder air or less cold air coming in from the west behind it, and the snow and sleet will turn to rain during the day. Wednesday we'll see cold northerly winds with sunshine and wintry showers, heavy snow showers in the north. Not wintry showers, even snow showers, full-blown snow showers, heavy snow showers in from the north on northerly winds, peppering these northern coasts. Beyond that, we will see very mild winds again from southwest into Saturday. So thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you tomorrow for an update again. If you're in the north and northwest especially, or anywhere that's like North Connacht, North Leinster and Ulster, well done. You're in the firing line for some snowfall, at least some falling snow, and enjoy that. And if you're in places like Leinster and Munster and South Leinster, South Connacht and South Munster, then enjoy. Let's try that again. If you're in Munster, South Connacht and South Leinster, then enjoy some nice crisp, clear blue winter skies with severe frost at night. Thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you tomorrow, and bye for now.